Hey guys, this is Gokul from Independent Scientist. This is my English channel. I have started Independent Scientist is an regional language channel, right? Tamil. So in this video, I will completely explain about these earbud in English. I have purchased this one for 1,299 rupees in Amazon. The performance of these, earbuds is good, but I have some suggestion because the X10 is already there. This is the X10 Pro model. The difference between those are not a big deal, but the price difference is just 100 rupees. If you looking to purchase these earbuds, you can kindly go forward for the X10 Pro, a good earbud comparing in the 1500 price segment. I have used this one for past 10 days, listening music, making calls. These type of works will be done by these earbuds. The quality of these earbuds is untouchable because the build quality is exactly good. The top end designs, then there is an USB port here, right? So these handle touching experience is excellent, and there will be a starting, there is an LED for charging notification also. While opening these earbuds, there will be a complete orange color inside these earbuds, and there will be an type of earbuds. Then the looking is also good. If we using these type of earbuds in public, there will be a huge attraction to these type of earbuds. Now I am opening these buds from this case. I hope these these designs were good. We can reach here, right? The songs were automatically playing, that's why I press these buttons. These quality of these earbuds is A1. Top quality of buds are provided here, so we can find the good earbuds in this price segment. So I prefer you to buy these X10 Pro, a good choice for you. Don't watch, you have watched already a previous video. There is some disadvantage maybe told them, but there is not a deal. You can go for it. It playback around 45 hours up to time, but the threshold may be 40 hours. You need 1.5 or 1 hour to charge these earbuds, right? Because if we have different type of adapters for charging, I prefer you to using the mobile charger. Once you have inserted these buds inside the case, it will automatically charging these buds once we closing these earbuds, right? Yeah, it's charging now, and connecting these charging cable, it will automatically glow in yellow dot, so we can find this is charging now. And these are the things how these earbuds charging and playback of the complete earbuds playback and charging itself. The mic is good because it have quad mic, totally two mics, 4 mics are here. You can experience a very less noise while speaking to others, and you can hear music in 10 mm driver. The bass and sound quality is also good, not a huge one, but enough for 1500 rupees below segment, right? These are the specifications of these earbuds, guys. It have 5.3 Bluetooth version, exactly best segment in this budget. We can find more items, but the price segment and the latest technology is used here, so you can completely go for it. I prefer you to buy Boult Audio X10 Pro, guys. I have already attached the links in description. These products available in Amazon store, Boult Audio, JioMart, Chroma, Flipkart, etc. There will be a huge market for this. I have already attached the link in description. Go there and compare the price. Where is the low price is available there, so you can pick and buy it on your favorite e-commerce website. I have attached the link in description. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will love this video with my English fluency. If you like this video, kindly press the bell icon, and you get instant notification for my recent uploads. And don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification. Then if you want more videos, kindly subscribe. Is the only main thing you can support me. If there is any doubt, comment it below. I will reply it as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Peace out.